Good morning, dears. Welcome back to another English online class. In the previous class, we completed our block tree. How many lessons are there in that block? Yes, there are 4 lessons in that block. Which are they? First one, author's purpose. Second, time order verse. Then compare and contrast. Fourth one, tell me what is fourth one? My daily routine. So today let's start with block number 4, writing a personal journal. Clear? Okay. Writing a personal journal. Personal journal. Okay. Then tell me, what was the story A Day in the Life of a Washerman different from the other stories that you have read before? Tell me. Yes. The story A Day in the Life of a Washerman is a narrative non-fiction story that gave us details or information about the washerman's daily experiences, his thoughts and feelings about the people he meets daily or every day. So, today let's start with lesson number 1, personal journal. Lesson number 1, what is personal journal? What will be the aim? The aim of this lesson is to identify the features of a personal journal entry about a family member. About whom? About a family member. Okay, then keywords. Then what we can? Yes, journal. This week we will write a description about a family member as a diary or journal entry. Clear? This week we will write a description about a family member as a journal or diary entry. Today we are going to read an essay from Sunita's personal journal about her father. Clear? Today we are going to read an essay from where? From Sunita's personal journal about whom? About her father. All of you take your content book and take page number 17th. I will read first. While I am reading, what you have to do, you have to follow me along with your fingers. Not only that, while reading, you have to notice what every paragraph talks about, and also you have to circle or underline the topic sentence in every paragraph. Clear? So, a journal entry. How it will help us? Anyone can tell? No. I will tell, don't worry. A regular journal writing to record our feelings, thoughts and experiences can help us to become what? To become better writers. Clear? Okay. So, please listen carefully. You have to read also. Journal entry. My father. Who is the author? Yes, by Sunita Chand. Hello, my name is Sunita and I am in the 5th grade. Which grade, Sunita? Yes, I am in the 5th grade. My father's name is Karam Chand and he is a washerman. What is her father's name? Yes, Karam Chand. And what is he? Of course, he is a washerman. He helps people by washing their clothes. His job is very important. What about his job? What about his job? Yes, his job is very important. People in the nearby apartment buildings depend on him so that they can have clean clothes. Who is cleaning the clothes? Yes, Karam Chand. What is he? He is a washerman. Then, my father's life is not easy. My father's life is not easy. He collects dirty clothes, ties them into bundles and brings them home. He marks the clothes of different customers with different marks. Why he is marking like that? Because when he marks the different clothes with the different marks, then there is no need of any confusion regarding the owners. Clear? Then he brings them to the dhobi guard. Who is dhobi? Yes, washerman. Washes them and then spreads them on a string to dry. After a few hours, he sews the clothes and irons them. What is it is saying about the traits of whom? About the trait of Karam Chand, Sunita's father. Then my mother mostly does the ironing. Sometimes my older brother helps her. Who helps her father to iron? Yes, her mother. Sometimes her brother also help whom? Help her mother. Then, my father says it is important to always keep his promises. He always likes to keep his promises. He tries hard not to spoil, tear or lose any clothes. He is so careful while handling the clothes. He takes care not to break any buttons. Handle with care. Okay, the clothes are not our clothes, whose? Others. So, when we are handling others' clothes, what we have to be? We have to be taken care of. However, if something goes wrong, he always pays for the loss. If something wrong happens, what is? He will pay for the loss. My father's customers like him. They always give him nice gifts on Diwali. Sometimes we get used clothes from them to wear. Sometimes he gets, yes, what is? Gifts. My father loves my brother and me very much. He loves both of us. Who? Me and my brother. He is tired after working all day long. He is very much tired. He is tired after working all day long, but he always has time to talk and play with us. He is always very tired, even though he finds time to spend with whom? Spend with us, me and my brother. He sends us to school to get an education, unlike some of the other washermen who keep their children at home all day to help with their work. He sends us means Sunita and her brother to where? To school for what? To get education. Okay. He doesn't understand English. He doesn't understand what? English. But he asks us about our homework anyway. He wants us to study hard so that we can do any job we want in the future. If we are educated, we can do any job in the future. Okay. All of you read it once more. Are you ready? Yes. And tell me, how many paragraphs are there in that journal entry? How many paragraphs? Yes, there are 4 paragraphs. What is the main idea of the first and second paragraph in that essay? Tell me. Who will tell? Yes, you tell. The first paragraph introduces the narrator and her father, person about whom she writes. And what about the second paragraph? Yes, the second paragraph expresses whose opinions? Sunita's opinions about the person and gives evidences to support her opinions. Clear? Okay. Then, how can we find the main idea? Tell me, how can we find the main idea? Yes, we can find the main idea by looking at the topic sentence, supporting facts and evidences. How can we? We can find the main idea by looking at the topic sentences, then supporting facts and evidences. Okay. Then what did you learn about Sunita's father? What did you learn? What kind of a person he is? Yes, he is an honest, hard-working man who loves his children. Clear? He loves his children very much. And how does Sunita feel about her father? How does she feel about him? Sunita loves and adores her father very much. Is it clear? Okay. Then tell me, how do we know about all these details? How do we know? How do we get all these details? We know all this because Sunita has shared her feelings, thoughts, opinions and experiences about her father in her journal entry. Okay. Then, what does a journal entry include? What it includes? A journal entry includes the author's thoughts, feelings and opinions that are supported by experiences around them. Clear? Okay. Then the paragraphs should be clearly organized with topic sentence and supporting details or supporting evidence will be there in every paragraph. The paragraph should be clearly organized with topic and what will be there? Yes, there will be supporting details or evidence in every paragraph. Then, what could be some other possible topics to write about in the essay? What could be? Who will tell? No one. Okay. Then, it could just be an expression of our intimate feelings and experiences like our favorite food, or it could also be a way to keep yourself on track while completing an assignment. Clear? It could be a way to keep yourself on track while completing an assignment. Tell me, what are some different reasons to keep a journal? Yes, what is? People keep journals for what? To record what happens in the work or what happens in the personal life daily. It can also be used to record what? To record important facts while doing research. Okay, for example, a journal written to keep a record of travel. Okay, and a journal written to record a pet's activities. So, all of you take your workbook, page number 26. Okay, ready? Yes. Fill in the outline with the details from Sunita's journal entry. What is first paragraph? In that journal entry, first paragraph talk about introduction, second paragraph about the personal life, and third paragraph about the important trait of, and fourth paragraph about what? Yes, the relationship between Sunita and the person. Okay. Then paragraph 1, introduction, name of the person about whom that you have to write. Then his or her job, occupation, what they do. Clear? You have to write about the occupation. Paragraph 2, about the person's life, about whom Sunita tells about that person's life. What is the topic sentence? How it starts? That you have to write down. We already studied the topic sentence. Then the evidence. Surely there are supporting evidence. That evidence you have to write here. Then paragraph 3, an important trait of the person. While reading, I told you some of the traits of the Karamchand or the washerman. So that you have to write here. What is, how it starts? That topic sentence you have to write. Then how can we tell that, or what are the evidences to support the topic sentence that you have to write here. Then paragraph 4, relationship between Sunita and the person. That relationship, always he wants to keep his promises and he would like to keep the relationship between the persons. How? Everything is here in your content book. You have to read carefully and you can do it all. Then second question, what else can Sunita write in her journal? That about her education, like all she can add. Then we can add about our travel, or favorite food, like all we can write. That's you have to write here. So in this lesson you have to note your homeworks too. That what is homework, workbook, finish, is one. Okay, clear.